Okay, so as you guys saw from the thumbnail, this is the quad bar right here from Yak Gadget. And I like this thing a lot because, as you can see, I can mount both of my graphs on the top here, but then I have, you know, spots on both sides and the bottom where I can mount stuff as well. So you can put your, you know, Yak Attack lock and load on there for like a camera like I do. You can slide a camera underneath here as well. I can't see where it's at, but you can put like a paddle, something to hold your paddle here. You know, all different types of things, you know, phone mount, so many different things that you could do because of that quad bar right there. And I really like it. It's really sturdy, and they make them in 31, 28, and 26 inches long, but I have a feeling that if you were to call their customer support or send them an email, that they would cut you a longer one if you needed one. These right here are the legs for the mounts here, and you can see the little groove right here holds on to the bar there, and then this is the adapter for the feel free, but it comes with the regular. It doesn't come with the feel free adapters. These are just, you know, what I have laying around because that's what you need for the feel free. But it also just comes with the regular deal there. But what you're going to want to do, what's cool about this is, you know, when I'm at, you know, going into a hotel or, you know, a buddy's house to a restaurant, or, you know, getting off the water, whatever I'm doing, and I want to take this off, I could take my graphs off right here and leave this on here. If you want to, you can do that. That's pretty easy to do. But if you didn't, you know, and you don't want to, you know, have your graphs, you know, separated or whatever, you just kind of bring the whole bar. All you'd have to do is undo this here, and then undo this one here, and it just takes a second to do. You know, you just spin that off real quick, and then this will detach from there, and then you can take the whole bar with you, you know. But I usually just pop my screens out, and I have a case right up here, right there, and that's where I put my my graphs in. But, you know, whatever. Sometimes when it's really windy and the wind's just pounding on the boat and stuff like that, it's easier just to take this whole thing off. So anyway, I'm going to get this mounted, and I'll show you guys what it looks like on the kayak. And but in order for me to put that on, I take this off right here, and then I pop the bracket here into the track. And then once the bracket's in the track, then you can just set this bar down into it and then tighten it with that nut there. So give me a second and we will put it on the kayak. Okay, so I've got that on, and you can see I got my graphs, you know, right in front of my chair here, so that way it's really easy to just see what I'm doing, what I'm fishing for. And so that quad bar, it's pretty sturdy too. So see here, I'm moving it. It's not really, you know, no matter what, everything's going to shake if you know, shaking it around. It's sitting on a trailer, but it's really good. It's nice and sturdy, and I never have to worry about, you know, the graphs falling off or anything like that. I got the ram mounts on there, and then right here on the back, so you can see here where this just popped in there. Tighten that one there, tighten that there, and we're good to go. And then anything that you might want to put on there, you can just take off this little end cap here, drop it in the water. Definitely don't want to be doing that, but you know, I wouldn't mess with this thing over the water by any means. But anyway, you just take that right there off, and you can slide anything you want on there, and then pop that cap back on. Make sure you hear the snap when you put it on there. And then you know, my box here, my transducers down there, and then out of this little foam deal right there, you can see my wires coming out. They go to the back of the graphs here, and then I got my network cable that goes there, and then I have a neoprene insert that cleans up all the wires and stuff like that. So kayak's a little dirty, but it's been getting a little bit of use. Going to be getting a lot more here soon. So, but anyway, you guys, that's the quad bar. I do have some other videos if you guys want to check it out. I have videos on how to build the ESC, and, you know, it's better than using the PWM, in my opinion. I also have a video on there of how to program it, and I have a video of how to make a cart so that way you can attach it to the back and, you know, wheel this thing around. And then I also have a video of connecting your anchor wizard to your anchor trolley, so make sure you check that out as well, and hit the thumbs up and subscribe. I got more videos coming, so you guys stay tuned. All right, bye.